A fresh hairstyle can elevate confidence and create a lasting impression in every setting. Finding the best electric cordless professional hair cutting trimmer is not only about grooming, it is about expressing your personality and maintaining a polished image. The right choice can help you feel prepared, stylish, and self-assured, making everyday grooming a more satisfying and rewarding experience. Number 1. Chemi KM1256 Electric Cordless Professional. Brand name, Chemi Model, KM1256 Power, 3 watts battery type, 600 mAh charging time, 8 hours usage time, 45 minutes. Note: hello buyers, oil bottles will not be included. This is because of air shipping restrictions. Please understand us. Thank you very much. Features: professional trim, achieve clear, clean lines, dry shaves, and sharp edges with zero blade overlap. Can be used as a hair, beard, sideburns, and beard trimmer. An all-in-one device for all ages. Powerful, high-torque rotary motors and high-quality machine drive components for a professional-grade shave at home with minimal noise and long-term availability. Bump-free technology provides a dry-trimmed, zero-overlap, ultra-firm, clean shave with a finished T-blade feature that won't cause shaver vibration or irritation. Sturdy T-blade. The blade is durable and stays sharp longer than other blades, staying sharp for long periods of time without pulling hair, just like a premium stainless steel blade. Number 2. Chemi Electric Hair Clipper Kit Men's. Chemi Electric Hair Clipper Kit Men's Hair Trimmer Machine Professional Hair Cutting Machine Clipper Kilometer 2296 Kilometer 2299 is a practical grooming choice for individuals who want to maintain a refined and presentable appearance. A well-managed hairstyle often helps create a positive impression, allowing people to feel more confident during workplace responsibilities, personal celebrations, and everyday encounters. Looking neat can influence how others perceive you while also strengthening personal satisfaction. Many people prefer grooming solutions that support independence and convenience, making it easier to maintain their desired look from the comfort of home. Regular self-care routines often contribute to a stronger sense of discipline and personal pride. Investing in personal grooming can help save valuable time while encouraging a more polished image throughout the year. This hair cutting machine is suitable for those who appreciate style, reliability, and a professional appearance. A refreshed haircut can enhance self-confidence, support personal expression, and help individuals feel prepared for important opportunities. Maintaining a clean and fashionable look becomes a simple part of daily life, helping create a lasting impression wherever you go. Number 3. Chemi Hair Clippers Hair Trimmers Professional. Advanced DLC and Fade Blade System features an ultra-sharp and skin-friendly DLC coating fade blade. It ensures a smooth, precise cut for seamless fades and tapering without pulling or tugging, suitable for all hair types. High-power brushless motor, 5 watts, equipped with a robust 5 watts external rotor brushless motor, delivering powerful performance at 7,500 RPM. This guarantees consistent speed through thick hair, superior durability, and a longer motor lifespan. Large capacity 2500 mAh battery and charging base comes with a convenient base charger for easy storage and charging. The built-in 2500 mAh rechargeable battery offers extended cordless runtime, perfect for completing multiple haircuts on a single charge. Smart LED display. The integrated LED screen clearly shows the battery level, speed setting, and usage time, allowing for precise control and preventing unexpected power-offs during use. Number 4. Chemi KM2293 7000 APM Barber Professional Hair Trimmer. Brand name, Chemi Model KM2293 Colors: black/gold/silver/orange. Power, 5 watts. Voltage: 100 to 240 volts. Charging time: 3 hours. Using time: 180 minutes. Battery: 1200 mAh. Motor speed: 7,000 revolutions per minute. Number 5. Chemi Professional Electric Hair Clipper. Chemi Professional Electric Hair Clipper Rechargeable Graffiti Pattern Beard Trimmer Men's Shaver Kilometer Max 2092 Kilometer Max 5090 Kilometer 1102H is created for individuals who enjoy expressing their style through a neat and attractive appearance. Personal grooming often plays an important role in building confidence, helping people feel ready for important meetings, social events, celebrations, and daily activities. A carefully maintained look can leave a memorable impression and reflect a strong sense of self-care. Many shoppers search for dependable grooming solutions that fit comfortably into modern lifestyles. Taking control of personal appearance can create a feeling of achievement while supporting a more organized routine. Looking refreshed and presentable may improve confidence during professional interactions and strengthen self-assurance in everyday situations. This grooming companion appeals to those who value individuality, personal expression, and a polished image. Maintaining facial hair and hairstyles can become an enjoyable part of daily self-care rather than a task. A smart grooming choice can help enhance personal presence, encourage positive first impressions, and support a stylish appearance that stands out with confidence and character.